Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. So we were making this multi-purpose crocheted fanny pack. You can carry it like a side bag or as a fanny pack. And you can carry a lots of things inside. This is the part 2, and on the part 1 we learned how to make the beautiful granny square for the bag. If you have not seen the video yet, I will link it on the description. Let's assemble the pieces together, and before starting do not forget to subscribe. So we can put 4 pieces of them. We will make them upside down like this and then assemble them like a triangle. Then with the help of this yarn needle, start stitching with each other slowly like this. Just passing the needle from both the pieces and make sure they are properly aligned. Now take the cloth to make the lining and cut it according to the shape of your joined granny square. You can stitch them together with a sewing machine or hand stitches, anything suitable for you. Just leave a little black border while doing it. Just add the zipper on one side. Stitch all around except these portions leave unstitched. Here, here and here. If you're doing hand stitch like me, always use some safety pins to secure both the pieces together. It will give you a very good grip. Also, the alignment will stay in place. And after you are done stitching, you again have to fold it inside out to stitch the rest of the portion, and fold the outer granny square into half diagonally like this. Use the yarn needle to stitch only the yarn portion. After this, it's gonna look something like this. Now we are left with the upper portion with the zip. Open the zipper for more convenience. After stitching, just turn it inside out. Your main portion of the bag is already done. Now we are only left with the strap, which we will do it with a little detailed way. For the strap, we have to make 3 pieces, 2 small and a long strap. To make the strap, just make a slip knot and 6 chains. So we were using 3 strap hooks today. 2 for the sides and 1 for the strap adjustment. Do not forget to measure your strap according to your hook. Just keep making single crochet rows after rows. You need 2 small straps like this. I made it about 2 inches. And a long strap made the same way, but this one is about 43 inches long. Measure around yourself once, and if you're not using the adjustable hook, it will be a lot more shorter than this. At first, let's attach the small pieces on the sides along with the hooks like this. And then attach them with a yarn needle. Make sure this has to be really neat. Do not allow any hanging small pieces. Both sides are done. Then come to the longer one. If you are not using the adjustment hook, just simply attach both the sides on the ring and it will be done. But if you're using one, start from the middle line like this. Make a stitch here. Make sure the strip is unwound and pass the other end from the ring. Then going in again from the hook like this. This is going to be little hard as yarns are fluffy and takes lots of space. And coming out from this side, creating a loop here. Then attach the other end into the other ring. And that's it. A beautiful yet super functional fanny pack is ready. I hope you like the video, like the pattern and process everything. And if you do, make sure to subscribe and hit the video with a big thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye bye.